Let's get you the latest update from the Northeast. The opposition in Assam has upped the ante against the Chief Minister, Himanta Biswa Sarma, over his Mia Muslim comment. Assam Opposition Forum, which comprises 18 opposition political parties in the state and is led by the Congress Party, has filed an FIR against Chief Minister Himanta, seeking his arrest for allegedly trying to incite communal tensions in the state. The opposition parties have also sent a letter to the President of India through the Assam governor seeking sacking of Himanta as the Chief Minister. Listen in.
हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा का खिलाफ आज हमारा विरोधी ओपोजिशन फोरम असम, जिसमें 18 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हम लोग एक साथ हैं, हम लोग ने दिसपुर थाना में एक FIR दर्ज किया। जनता का बीच घृणा पैदा करने के लिए, कम्युनल राइट करने के लिए वो हमेशा ऐसा बयान दे रहा है। ये बयान वो असेंबली का अंदर भी देना शुरू किया। इसलिए हम यूनाइटेड ओपोजिशन फोरम ने देश का महामहिम राष्ट्रपति को भी हम निवेदन करेगा, ये हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा को बर्खास्त करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसने खुद को एक पागल कुत्ता बोल के पब्लिकली अनाउंस किया है। सेल्फ डिक्लेयर्ड मैड डॉग declared by Himanta Biswa Sarma himself. He should be suspended from the post of the Chief Minister and he should be arrested immediately.
Now, viewers, this showdown comes after Chief Minister Himanta said in the Assembly on Tuesday that he will not allow takeover of Assam by Mia Muslims. The term Mia Muslims refers to Bengali-speaking Muslims originally hailing from present-day Bangladesh. They mainly live in Lower Assam and Barak Valley districts. They are often accused of being illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. Now, CM's comment was made when the rape of a 14-year-old girl in Nagaon and the state's law and order issue came up for discussion in the State Assembly. The situation in Sivasagar district over alleged targeting of Bengali-speaking Muslims from Lower Assam was also raised. When the opposition accused him of being partisan, CM said that he will take sides and asked what can the opposition do about it. Amid the heated exchange, AIUDF MLA said that people from Lower Assam would go to Upper Assam districts. Himanta hit back and asked him, why will people from Lower Assam go to Upper Assam? He asserted that he is not going to allow the takeover of Assam by Mia Muslims. Listen in.
আপোনালোকে আজি হাউসত কলে যে আমি লমে আৰু মই কৈছো আপোনালোকক আমি লব নিদিও বস।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.
Now, Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament Kapil Sibal slammed the Assam Chief Minister for his "will not let Mia Muslims take over the state" remark, saying that this is pure communal venom. Other opposition leaders also accused the Chief Minister of spreading communal hatred. BJP leaders, on the other hand, came out in full support of Assam Chief Minister, saying that Himanta is doing his constitutional duty, as according to the BJP, Assam is inundated by illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. Listen.
हमने बोला था कि असम के लोअर असम के लोग अपर असम जाएंगे, अपर असम के लोअर असम आएंगे, आ सकते हैं, ये उनका राइट है, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री बोले हैं कि कैसे जाएंगे, हम नहीं जाने देंगे। तो इस तरह की बातें मुख्यमंत्री की जुबान से शोभा नहीं देता। हमने सदन में इसके लिए हंगामा किया है, स्पीकर साहब ने अभी सदन को एडजर्न किया है, दोबारा शुरू होगा। हमारा यही मांग रहेगा कि सदन जैसे पवित्र जगह में मुख्यमंत्री संविधान के ओत लेके संविधान के विरोध में बात करेगा, वो कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं है।
It should not have been community-wise. There is no particular community which is a criminal community. There are individuals. People say, the psychologists say, research say that there are communal elements or bad elements even in educated section of the society, poor section of the society. It is depending upon individual mind. So you cannot make one community criminal and one community non-criminal. That is not based on research.
और असम में आप जाइए, किसी से पूछिए तो धुबरी को मिनी बांग्लादेश कहा जाता है। तो जब तक ऐसी पार्टियां रहेंगी, पर आश्वस्त रहिए, मोदी जी की सरकार आने के बाद जिस दृढ़ता के साथ, और असम के मुख्यमंत्री वहां पर भी जिस दृढ़ता के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, निश्चित रूप से हमने इन्फिल्ट्रेशन पे रोक तो लगा दी है और आगे उसका भी विधि सम्मत समाधान करने का हम प्रयास करेंगे।
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam has made a very clear, unequivocal statement. And the statement has to be seen in the context in which it's important. Assam has been inundated by illegal Bangladeshi immigrants who came in with impunity during successive Congress governments, and certainly other parties have espoused the cause of these illegal immigrants at the cost of the indigenous people of Assam. And therefore, when Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma speaks for the indigenous people of Assam, he is doing his constitutional duty of saying, yes, the citizens of India deserve to be protected against an illegal influx that even the Supreme Court had noted in some judgments.
Let's now go across to my colleague Anamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Anamika, we've heard both the sides, but amidst all of this, there is an FIR as well that has been filed against the Chief Minister.
Yes, it is true, and day before yesterday, Assam reappealing on this particular bill on 2024 have been tabled in the assembly, and it's the registration for mandatory of Muslim Marriage and Divorce Act under 1935, and today the bill have been passed. Though the opposition are mentioning that it's a communal act and communal file has been registered for them, but CM Himanta Biswa Sarma had clearly mentioned that this particular bill is for the good for the Muslim community only.
Interrupting you there, well, that's about the bill, but also now there is a controversy around his remark that he won't allow Mia Muslim to take over Assam. That controversy is also now being picked up by the opposition in a big way, and FIR has been filed on that issue.
Yeah, we have mentioned that on the statement, because some days before on Shivsagar, one particular incident have happened where a particular Mariwari community have illegally and alleged a girl, minor girl from Assam, and they have even said sorry to the Assam people of Assam in front of Minister Ranuj Pegu, and on relating to that particular incident, CM have mentioned that
and
the
now
people
we'll see
who
how the Chief Minister will respond to this latest action. Thank you for the moment, Anamika, for joining us with all of those details. With this, it's a wrap. Thank you for staying with us here on Times Now. Heading into a short break. More news and updates on the other side.